Alright, so the truck isn't misfiring as bad as it was in the last video, but it still is. But I'm still in the same tank of gas that it was sitting with for 8 months. So I'm going to think the gas is bad. I'm taking the coins that were just there. And this truck is going to fucking pay for itself, bro. It's going to pay for the gas I'm putting in it, and it's going to pay for the injector cleaner. Because the owner also said he never replaced the injectors. So, I mean, I don't know about you, but this truck is like fucking over 20 years old. So, definitely going to just run a tank of premium, injector cleaner. Well, that's not injector cleaner, but you know what I mean. And we're going to figure this out. Alright, got the bread, shortbread. Gonna go get some breakfast and then we'll just run the fucking gas out of this thing. Also need to buy some injector cleaner. Do that on the way. I'm sure we'll pass AutoZone or something on the way. But let me turn this on for you. Better. Not perfect, but better. Drivable. Alright. Breakfast, injector cleaner, and I'll see you on the road. Alright, we're on the highway. Got the shits. Now let's run this fucking gas down. Yes, sir. Hopefully it's not a lot of wind noise, but hey, get back in your lane, bitch. But yeah, she's floating even though she has, yeah, but you see it. So we're gonna keep cruising. Alright, I put 30. This is where we're at. It wasn't like completely empty, but it was like right there. So it's not terrible. Put the whole can of that shit I showed you earlier, Seafoam. So we're gonna run around on this shit and see if it gets any better. What the fuck? Alright, we're back. Different day, but going to get some tools so I can actually take this fucking valve cover off and see if this thing is moving the rockers and the valve springs. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we'll come back when we have the tools. Alright, we got a clear view of the valve train, so we're gonna start it up now and see what we got. As you saw, it was moving, so right now I'm just gonna try to clean out these injectors. Did that side, this side. As you can see, yeah, it's not great. Definitely causing misfire. I'm gonna clean these off. Start the truck, taking on a little drive, see if it gets any better. Be back when this is not. Yeah. All right. Time later, it actually sounds like a V8, so hopefully that means it's not misfiring anymore. Maybe it was just dirty injectors. I'm gonna take this stuff off, let that fuel that was just still is. Might be the water that I put back in. Yeah, I'll figure that out. Yeah. We'll take it for a drive. See it live. It's sounding a little better. Should have been actually taking it out yet, though. It definitely sounds better. No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just took it down the street, and it automatically feels like way better, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give this dude some burst so I give it some gas. But, bro, this thing might be there, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is actually like driving, bro. Like, oh my god, bro. That's what it was this whole time, bro. I replaced the coil packs, the fucking this, the that. I fucking welded the exhaust. And the whole time it was just dirty injectors, bro. I thought I took off the valve cover thinking that it was a stuck lifter, and they were all moving. So I'm like, bro, the only other thing could be fuel. I cleaned the bitches off, and this thing is driving like fucking like 10 times better. I'm gonna actually take this bitch on the highway though, because yeah. But I'm gonna have to turn the light off for that, cause yeah. Oh shit. Oh, bro. I think I fixed this fucking bitch, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think I fixed this bitch. You gotta wait for this slow ass Nissan to get out of our way, but bro, fucking C8 and fucking Nissan Rogue are fucking neck and neck right now, bro. This is nasty work. Like, I thought that was a sports car. Like, what the fuck? I get it's raining, but fuck, like, one of you motherfuckers, bro. I'm trying to hit this bitch, like, see if this shit is actually back. Like, I'm pulling, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's not popping anymore. It's actually low-key driving like it's supposed to, bro. That might have been the problem, bro. That might have been the problem. Hold on. Bro. Yeah, bro. Like, it's not popping right now. It's, like, actually shifting. It's like accelerating like a truck should. Like, bro, I think I found the problem, bro. Yo, that's really crazy, bro. Oh, my God, bro. I thought I was gonna have to throw a cam in this bitch for it to run like this, bro. That shit's crazy, bro. I thought the cam was fucked up, the lifter was stuck. The windows up, bro. That my mom came down like talking about the fuel, because the fuel was spraying all over. I couldn't tighten the lines, bro. All for this right here, bro. Oh my God, bro. It was all worth it, bro. It was all worth it. So next step is getting this thing registered, because, you know, yeah, and then, bro, low key, maybe an exhaust. Like, I don't know, like, the exhaust still isn't welded up right, so I probably got to put a O2 in there and get them to run the pipes. But bro, this thing actually runs and drives like a truck. Like, I'm going 60, and I'm not like having to floor it. Like, it's actually doing it, bro. I think I really fixed it, bro. And also, you notice when it's misfiring, the check engine light is flashing, bro. The check engine light is solid. It's not flashing, so it shouldn't be misfiring right now. Like, from what I understand about this truck, like, it was usually flashing. I don't know if you want to go back, look at the other videos or earlier in this video, but yo, it's not flashing, bro. It's a solid check engine light, which means this thing is not misfiring, bro. It was just dirty injectors. Oh my God, bro. This truck was driving like fucking hot ass, bro. But now it's actually like low-key kind of good. I'm scared to hit the gas because it might spin the tires, bro. Who knows? And I don't have ABS, as you can see. I pulled that fuse. But bro, this thing is fucking back to life, bro. Oh man. Bro, like, still, bro, they're still neck and neck, bro. It's nasty. We're fucking C8 and Nissan Rogue are driving dead next to each other on the fucking highway, bro, or 309, whatever, interstate, whatever you want to call this. Like, bro, this is nasty, bro. I just want to hit the gas. Like, this shit's fucking crazy. Hold on, bro. I'm about to call a group chat, bro. Niggas gotta know about this, bro. This shit's crazy.